Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you guys my place in Shanghai. Not long ago, I decided to come to Shanghai and stay here for a month. I've always had the dream to stay in they call it Wu Tong because this vicinity, the roads are lined up with very beautiful trees. This neighborhood right now, it's situated in the heart of Shanghai's Wu Tong. So without further ado, let me bring you on a room tour, shall we? This is the main door. I find the color very nice. The exterior wall is painted like in orange color, which gives a sense of Southeast Asian vibe. We have a mini porch area. Now it's filled with stuff from like the neighbor. We were told that all this structure will be torn down soon, but to be honest, we are not sure when exactly. You guys can try to imagine without all this structure. I think it will look very beautiful. Let me show you the inside. Alright, this is how it looks like inside the room. There's a bed. It's not a big area, but it's good enough. You see a lot of decorations. Most of them are left behind by the previous tenant. Pretty nice. Gives a rustic vibe, and they have a cabinet here. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you what's inside. We reused the shelf. We just clean it up. The condition of the house was actually quite dirty. The previous tenant didn't quite clean it up, so I had to call in China. They have this kind of service that you can call someone to help you to clean it up. With the help of they call it 保洁阿姨, I managed to clean it up pretty okay. So everything is quite clean now. You can see like this lamp is very retro. Very beautiful table lamp here. And you might think that that's it, right? But nope. Let me bring you through this door. Okay, this area is a little bit dirty. Okay, so you got a fridge here. This is given to us by the previous tenant also. And these are the wireless modem for the Wi-Fi. This is the toilet. You can check it out. It's small, but it's like fully functional. You got the toilet bowl. You get to bathe here, and the sink is pretty clean after we clean it. Keep moving on. Here, this door leads to the backyard where you can cook, and there's a washing machine. We're not going here, we are going up. Come on up. So this staircase leads to another space. Okay, when I view this place, when I saw this area, immediately I felt like I need to get this place. You have a bed here. Big enough, 1.3 meters wide. You get a window here. Okay, you can see the view outside. And now it's with the structure and all, it's not very neat and tidy, but we get very nice sunlight in the daytime, and I think that's very important. So these are some flowers that I bought, but this vase is, you'll see a lot of vase around. These are all by the previous tenant. It is very easy for me to just move in straight away because all the furnitures are already ready. It's left here and we get to use them. So I just tidy them up and wipe off the dust and, you know, play with the arrangements a bit. So there is this area where I can chill. I can invite our friends over and we can sit around here. I'm thinking whether to buy some chairs, but I'm just gonna stay here for 1 month, so I'm not sure whether I want to buy a lot of furniture. I might not be able to move them out after this month. You have nice small tables, a full-size mirror. Don't you find the whole vibe is really good? Ceiling, it's very high, so you don't feel like things being suppressed. Come on and check out the front view. Okay. So in the morning, you can actually see the sun rays falling in from this direction. That's where the sun rises. Alright, that's about it. This house consists of mainly two areas. The second floor room, the first floor room, and the toilet area. I don't really cook, so I don't usually use the backyard. Okay, I hope you enjoy this room tour. I'm gonna show you what's outside of this neighborhood. So if we walk out of our like small estate, we'll come to this stretch of road. So you can see that the tree cover is just simply amazing. Yeah, this is what they call Wu tree. It's like roads formed with this Tong trees. Every time I walk out of our estate, I feel like, wow, I'm just in the heart of the Old Shanghai. It's just very, very beautiful. And it's amazing to cycle over here both in the morning and late at night, where tourists go back to their hotel and the street will slowly become empty. We'll show you around in other videos. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. 我这个应该给它喝掉。烦死了！